Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to tap on this gear icon in the left lower corner to open more options, so photo settings. Here in this general section we've got the timer almost right in the middle of the full list. And in this device we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. We've got off option, which is currently applied. It is highlighted in this a mint color, I would say, but we've got 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So if you wish to set the timer, simply tap on the option which you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds. Now we can go back, and unfortunately the timer is not highlighted here. I mean, we do not have any kind of icon which will show us that we've got the timer set. So it might be a surprise if you will forget about setting the timer before. Or sorry, actually my bad. I did not look at the top of the screen, and here we've got the timer. Let me tap on it. Can we tap on it? No, so the photo settings will immediately open, and as you can see, it will also highlight the timer. Alright, so let's focus. Now, if we've got the 10 seconds applied, we can simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, of course depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And we've got photo taken. So as I said, if you wish to turn it off, you can either go to the settings or tap on this timer icon. Your device will highlight this option, so you can change the countdown or turn it off. Just tap on this crossed out icon, and as you can see right now at the top, the timer option is not visible, so it will only show you this icon if you've got the countdown applied. Alright, so we've got the timer turned off, and from now on our device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.